Man, why does it look so dark in here?
I don't live in my fears, I just swallow my tears. It ain't all in my head, life is just a nightmare. I don't care if you care, I just know it ain't fair. Ain't no time to prepare, life is just a nightmare. I don't live in my fears, I just swallow my tears. It ain't all in my head, life is just a nightmare. I don't care if you care, I just know it ain't fair. Ain't no time to prepare, life is just a nightmare.
All right, everybody, welcome. It's your boy Mark Summers, Major Linux, MajorsHouse.com. And I've actually got my first unboxing since I've been redoing this YouTube channel, redoing some things. Hopefully things sound a little good. And I'm going to touch on that in another video. Hopefully this kind of pans out. I'm really excited. Granted, should have took this to a whole another room, but I can't just yet because I can't move this light. So I've got a light here, kind of like 6 foot tall. Actually, it's a little over 6 foot tall. I'm 5'11". This thing's still towering over me. I've got this light here that is essentially providing light other than this light that's above my head. And even for the recommended ISO for this camera, it's kind of dark in here. It doesn't look that dark, like just for me, but then again, I guess my eyes can see things. I'm like nocturnal and shit. For what I have in here, for what I've been using for the stream, I've been having to really push the lights in here a little bit harder than they need to be in order to get things going on stream and even for these videos. So I actually went ahead and I purchased some lights. Shouts out to Bites from the Cookout who suggested some lights to me. So I went ahead and ordered some, and we're gonna go ahead and unbox them, take a look at them right now. All right, and here we go. It's a brown box. Now, of course, one, I do want to apologize for all the junk on the table here. Kind of caught me in the middle of not reinventing myself, but kind of just, geez, I forget the word for it. I don't know. I'm in the middle of transitioning some things, getting ready for a big event. And actually, was one of the reasons kind of why I picked this up. So and actually, this is one of the biggest boxes I've ever seen come out of Amazon. Mainly because it's probably so tall. This is actually a Amazon branded box. I was thoroughly surprised to see that. Open that up, make sure I close my blade here. Sorry that you guys have to see my feet. My old busted up crusty feet. Just got this box. I'm gonna toss this off to the side. And there we go. Now we've got a smaller box here. So got a guy with the little photography dude just taking some photos. Actually, I'm afraid I may have this upside down. Yep, there we go. It doesn't say this side up on it, but I do want to make sure I put it where I can see everything. So got the caution: do not cut with long blade. Contents will be damaged. All right, so it seems like it's giving me instructions on how to cut it, and I'm glad it is because there's some umbrellas in here too. So I don't want to cut those and damage those, and this ultimately be useless. So it says cut the side taping first. So kind of glad, yeah, really glad I turned this around because I would have never known that. So let's see. Got the side taping. All right, make sure I got the side. All right, so this is lift flaps with one hand. Check out here. I guess you could cut, but all right. I'm gonna cut. Yeah, there we go. And that should do it. Boom, we're in. And as you can see, yeah, we totally did not want to strike. And especially when you got, got your umbrellas here, but you definitely don't want to cut. So you got your umbrella shades here. So this is a Limo Studio lamp set. This is 2 lamps, so as you can see the 2 umbrellas here. I don't know what this is. Maybe we'll look at it a little bit later. Apparently the guy I ordered it from, he provided some stuff in there, so some contact information, provided all this kind of ship damaged. One thing I did like about it, and again, shout out to Bites for that, it's travels. There's travel, so it's got a little travel bag and put everything in when I'm ready to move it between sites. Apparently here's all this, so I bet you these are the stands. These are the bulbs. Or maybe these are the bulbs, I don't know. Actually, these are the 2 stands here. I'm gonna set these off to the side. I don't know, there's a lot of small boxes in here. All right, so now that we've, man, I really hope that wasn't a bulb. I really hope that wasn't, because I dropped it, my bad. And toss another box out. All right, so I'm gonna start here with the small boxes. They're not labeled. Okay, so oh shit, this was a bulb. This was a bulb, you can see there. Oh yeah, it's gonna be out of focus, but yeah. 120 volt, 45 watt bulb. So I guess here's the other one. Actually, I guess I should open the one that I dropped to make sure it's okay. Oh, well, it's still wrapped up. And yeah, it's got a styrofoam. So yeah, it looks like the smart bulbs. It almost in a way looks like fucking hue light. I'm actually curious to see like how bright these get and whether or not I can just replace them with hue lights. That way I can kind of say, hey, turn on this one. I can actually give a command to Siri or my Google Home to say, hey, turn on this light or that light. Like I may have one dedicated for YouTube videos and photography, one dedicated to streaming. So that would say, hey, turn on the stream light, or hey, turn on the photo light. So, so those are the bulbs. So here's the other one. So let's actually open up the small one here. Okay, so this is one of the holders. Or, not sure what do you call the thing that the bulb will go into, but I guess the lamp itself, maybe? I don't know. Not sure what the technical term is, but yeah, this is where the bulb will go in. Got your switch here. Oh, so it seems like they're, So there's 3 of these. So I know these are the 2 bulbs. So let's see what's in here. I'm curious. So excited. I don't know. So this is, it's like a little stand here. Another one of these. So that's all. There's 3 of these. So I'm wondering if it's too tall and a short. Yeah, because here's another bulb. So actually, these are 3 lights. They're not 2. They're actually 3 lights here. So it seems like we've got a small stand, and then I imagine these are the 2 big ones. So these are the 2 that are go with the little parasol things. Yeah. So here's a big stand. So that's kind of interesting. I actually got more lights than I actually bargained with here. So I'm definitely going to hook this stuff up. I'm going to do a little recording a little bit later. Maybe I'll do like a nice little montage of me kind of setting this all up. Like just recording and kind of speed it up just for the sake of a video. I don't know. Maybe do some shooting when it's all done. You can see how it looks compared to what I normally have. And yeah. So I guess stay tuned for that. All right, so that didn't work. Didn't work at all. Didn't work at all. We apparently got about halfway through before the camera was like, "Yep, it's getting hot in here." So I did. Actually, I should not do that either, shouldn't I? But so right now we currently have one of the lights set up. It's one right here. One thing I do want to notice off the bat is that it does not look as yellow in here as it does before. It's using a super. I mean, it's a bright white light and it's being diffused by the umbrella. One of these here. Spread it out just like a regular umbrella, and I'm hoping that I'm not getting bad luck by opening it. But yeah, so small umbrella, just like that. Actually, what I can do, these things I've got, at least you at least saw the stands getting hooked up. At least try to get one of the stands here. So we got one of the stands here. Try to tighten it up because last time it's righty-tighty. It's kind of weird to remember that when not looking directly at it. I was trying to get this one set up. It kept falling loose, or it just kept falling down. So all right. So, man, let's lock the base while I'm at it. All right, so everything should be locked into place. So now we're gonna got the little fixture here. I'm gonna take out this little cap, put it over there, and grab the little fixture. It probably does not sound great on a microphone. Twist this bad boy, unfurl it. See, I'm unfurling. So I gotta untighten this here. Get all that clickety clack it in, and we're gonna fix it to the top of this, and then I'm gonna unscrew another fastener. Let this come on down. So they're nice and snug, like. Get that tightened in. Tighten that now. So that was. So, and I'm gonna let this go back. Grab me another bulb. Right. See this little bulb here. Screw that in. Yeah. And then I'm gonna take the umbrella. Open that up and turn this away so that we. All right, then yep, yet another fastener thing I gotta let go. Slide that on in. Tighten it, and you know, I'm still seeing like it's a little dirty in here. It's not as dirty in this one, so that's probably why I didn't pay any attention to it. It's a little dirty in here. Oh, yep, gotta screw that in. But yeah, like right around here, it's a little dirty, but I don't think that's gonna come through too bad. Tighten this bad boy up, because yep, as you can see, it does fall fairly easily. But at least it has like the little click, so you can kind of adjust, you know, where you want it. So you can kind of like hear where you want it. I'll back this bad boy up so you can kind of see what it looks like. Guess I should plug it in, right? Oh, look at my booty. So it's plugged in, and we're gonna turn it on. And there you go, now we got a second light. YouTube, now granted, yeah, this is plugged in on a surge protector way back here, so it's tugging a bit. I'm gonna bring this back. I really didn't want that to show. Let me turn you around. Turn you around, turn you right round. So now you can see like I said, the lighting is really good here. Like I said, I don't know, I'm kind of weird about it because I felt like the lamps that I had were burning in a nice bright white light, but I'm not sure what happened, whether or not my eyes got used to it, to where it turned yellow again. But even in this whole room, it does seem like it's a whiter light. I feel like I'm super restricted because all these cables are converging at a point behind me. But like I said, I'm liking what it is. I'm liking what it's looking like so far. Jeez, I need to find words here. And I feel like this is something I could probably use again for like these YouTube videos where I need that better lighting in here. I can take it to other rooms in the house and kind of have that decent lighting, even though, again, I'll get to the mic topic a little bit later, but at least in here, I think things sound well. And yeah, I just need to test the audio in other rooms to see if I can even have these conversations, have these videos being shot in other rooms in the house, because there's definitely a lot of things I want to talk about, especially when it comes to tech in the house. Like, not everything gets run in this office. Again, you saw the shitty table, the very, very dirty table that I unboxed all this stuff in. Like, not all of it happens here. A lot of experimentation happens here, but a lot of real world application. I like to take it to different rooms in the house to see how we can use it, how I can use it, how my family can use it. But yeah, I feel like these lights will definitely help with that, especially when I'm shooting things like at night or in rooms where the sun actually does not shine very well, especially in the afternoon. East is over here, west is over here. I mean, it actually kind of makes sense because 40 is like right around here too, and you know, like 40 east and 40 west. But yeah, to where like in afternoons when I'm actually probably more prepared to shoot video, the sun has essentially left this side of my house to where it's going to be useless. It will be dark, like it's 3 o'clock in the afternoon and you can't see anything. But yeah, I'm fairly pleased with what I have here so far. Would like to see the application when it comes to streaming. Obviously we can see how it looks when it comes to YouTube videos. I actually would love to see what it's going to look like on when I actually edit this video and actually post it to YouTube. So far, I'm thoroughly enjoying what I'm seeing here, and I hope that it benefits the streams, the YouTube videos, and makes this a very welcoming place for you guys to come. So yeah, thank you everybody for tuning in. Yeah, just look for more videos coming from me and these wonderful lights in the near future. So until then, peace out. Well, I hope that was as fun for you as it was for me. If you did enjoy that video, please hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, hit the little bell button so you can get notified when I put up new videos. I'm trying to do the YouTube thing just a little bit more than I used to before, so definitely do that. It's great help. Again, for every subscription I get over at YouTube, I donate $1 to Extra Life, a gaming-based charitable organization that's a part of the Children's Miracle Network, where we help sick and injured kids in our local communities get a fair shake at life. So definitely subscribing is actually doing good for the community. How does that sound? Of course, while you're here, if you're looking for something else to watch, I do recommend that you check this stuff out. Check these two videos out here. One is the most recent video, and one is actually a video that I've created that probably best suits your taste. I don't know. I'm not the taste maker. I'm just a creator. You have to get with YouTube about the whole taste thing. I don't know. I'm not sure what you're into. That's on you and YouTube. But I do recommend that you hit click one of these, or do the subscribe, hit the like, do the things that the YouTubers do. No pressure on my part. I'm not gonna force you to do anything, but if you do, I'd really appreciate it. So until next time, peace out.